upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm doing some updates on some Sensational wigs, so let's just get right to it. Right now I have Miss Morgan, and this is part of the What Lace collection that they have, which is sort of that like HD hairline situation, and I have her in the color 4. So some pros and cons to this wig. I really like Morgan. She definitely needs to be washed, so I'm going to go ahead and wash her. I have, in general, reservations sometimes with these sort of HD free parting hairlines because they do take a little bit more work. They can look more natural, so it's funny because it seems like the work is done for you, but it can be parted anyway. You have to set the wig down. I have a whole free parting playlist. I will link down below. If it's not linked, just let me know and I'll put that in there. But it is in my playlist on what you need to do to make a free parting wig sort of look natural. I love the color. This is a yaki textured wig. My only thing, and this is preference, I don't like, if you can see how it's like super straight and it's just like curled right here, I personally do not like that. I wish it was just wavy the whole thing or straight the whole thing. I just don't like this whole, it looks like you ran out of time, but that's just my particular preference. Yeah, and then like when I tuck it behind the ear, which I like to, I don't know, I just don't like this like half done, half not. So I'd either have to go in and flat iron the whole thing or add some light waves to the whole thing. Other than that, this is a very large wig cap, so you do need to keep that in mind. And yeah, that's what I have to say about Miss Morgan. If these are things that you're interested in, I think she'd be a great wig. For me, there's just too many things that I had to mess with, and so I will probably be passing this one along. I'll be putting this on my Poshmark. Any wigs that I sell, I do put on my Poshmark. So yeah, so that's what we have for Miss Morgan. So next up we have Miss Perm Romance. I have her in the color SM4/27/613. This is definitely going to be in that vein with the Nisha wig. So, and this is an older wig, so it's going to be more affordable. So if you're really into those Nisha wigs, this may be a definite like alternative for you. I particularly don't like the fullness here of the wig, but that's just my preference. I know some people really love these more naturally textured wigs. She does feel great, like she's not wanting to tangle very much. I do love this coloring, so if that's something you like, I would say go for it. If you don't really like a thick or a full wig, this definitely isn't one for you. But if you're one that's like really wanting to get into the niches, but they're just way too expensive right now because they just came out, this is a great older alternative. So that's what I really have to say for Perm Romance. Okay, so last but not least, we have another one of the What Lace collection wigs, and this is Miss Reyna, and I have her in the color Money Piece Caramel. Okay, so pros and cons. This is another free parting wig, so it is going to take you a little bit to like figure out what you want to do in terms of where you want the part to be. I like the curl pattern. I really love the curl pattern. I personally just, this is way too much hair for me. It's just way too much hair. There's just too much here. And I feel like she's beautiful, but she's not going to last too long just because these curls, although pretty, they're going to really be hard to maintain. For that reason, I just wouldn't get this wig. If you can get it like on Poshmark or something for a lower price maybe, but full price, this wig is just not going to last you that long. It is gorgeous. It's just not going to last because of the curl pattern and the texture and everything. And this is a larger wig cap, so keep that in mind. Other than that, that's my thoughts. I don't really have much thoughts past the fact that like you couldn't wear this like every day all the time. And so that would shy me away from her. Yeah, that's what I have to say about Miss Reyna. If you have any of these wigs and you have any thoughts about them, please put them down below. If there's any other sensational wig that I reviewed that you don't see an update for, please put that down below as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.